Yo, stocks 5150. It is 9:35. 9:35. I had to cut grass. I didn't cut my front yard because I like to do that with my push more. I don't like spreading all that crap all over the place. But what we got? First 5 minute candle was this one. So boom, we got us a big level on the first 5 minute. So we'll see how that goes. Let's go up a little bit, 15, see what that looks like. We sold off of well, we just been continuing to drop. That's all. I don't know why. We could blame it on all of this, on the unemployment claims. We had actually less unemployment claims than the forecast, so that means no interest rate hikes or cuts. And the non-farm productivity is higher or negative than it's 1.4. That's higher than expected, and same. This is lower. The prelim unit cost is lower. All these sports. 10:30 we got natural gas, and let's see what we got. Earnings. What watching? See what we got over here. What earnings do we have today? Today is Thursday. We got Datadog and what is that? Zoist. So and KDB, CG, Airbnb, DraftKings, Net, Team. All right, so nothing major today, but got some movers. Some movers. All right, close that out. All right, getting us a pop. Pasha went short. I was watching him in the background. I don't think I'm gonna be paying attention to that today. He might add to some confusion, bro. I ain't got time to be getting confused. I'm trying to climb out the hole that I dug for myself last week. I had to take a shower right quick because um after I cut the grass, man, then I'm like stuffing. You know what I'm saying? So we just chilling. We on the 15 minute, and this is the VWAP right here, volume weighted average price. So we're below it. Got to push up. So on the 15 minute, what I'll do is this: put this here, and overall, if I go back up and go to the 1 hour, that tracks. Look at that, right down to that level there, which is right at 73. If I go to the weekly, stretch it out, bring it down. If I go to the weekly, we are right around 76. Very interesting. So we're bouncing around right here. This the weekly candle. Get to that target and this target here. Well, wait, we should bring this one up here for the weekly for this week, which is the point of control. So actually, we don't even need to do that. We'll just leave it up. Go back to the daily. I ain't trading. I ain't put a trade. I traded overnight, so I'm up 4 right now. Kind of don't want to just jump in blind. Taking a look at where we at. All right, so this is the weekly area right here. Boom, boom, bounce, pull back, hit the 76. See, SOXL's at 127. Oh, they pulling back. They were at like 134 yesterday. So Short city again. Probably gonna pull back. We'll fill to that area there to there. 76. Yeah. All right, so we good. And let's get down to the 15. All right, so remember this area right here. VWAP's coming down, probably gonna go up, touch that. Have a reaction off this 14. 5 is below. Waking off the 14. 29, 5, 25. 29, 5, 25. 29, 600. Let's go for that. This level here. I'm shooting for that. So let's get into a long. You ready? No, we're gonna wait for a pullback off this swing or going at 15 minute. Hold on. Might not. It might go without us though. So it's already halfway there. Probably expect something reaction off that VWAP, like a pullback. All right, so if we get a pullback and come back down, then we can go back in. Upside target is 560. Five. What is that? 560. Yeah. So we're getting a pullback. See if we push through that 5, or if we hold. That was tricky. Actually, I might have should have waited, but going target 482. Target is the VWAP 480. See what we get, yo. I do hanging. I hang from a pull-up bar. When I hang, I say the Lord's Prayer. That's how long I hang. So I know you're supposed to hang for like some people hang for 3 minutes. That's kudos to them. I'm a 20, 30-second man. Depends on how fast I pray. Oh, we came up to it, we touched it, but we didn't get it. Let's see if we're gonna get it on this push right here. Let's go. Push. This is it. Get it, get it. Come on, Wiccan. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's get it now. Here we go. One more, one more, one more. We need 480, 75. Come on, 78. Come on, we need 80. We ain't get no 80. Can we get an ask for 80? Here we go. 76. Can we get a 78? Can we get an 80? Can we get an 88? Nice trade. Nice trade. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. So, chill. See what else we can get. That was a good one. And that was for two. Let's see, 122 each one. What's that? 240. That was for 240. Nice. Went in at 9:43. 2 minutes. Got 240. Let's go. This is my year to date total. I'm down $2,000. Down 29. So year to date. So I don't know. I think that's year to date. Was that year to date? Yesterday I made 2,300. The past 7 days, 24. 14 is going to get worse, down 9, then down 30, 19,000 down, 60 days out, 7,000 out, 120 days out, 2,000 down, year to date, year to date, 29. We're going to work with that year to date on our transactions. That's counting everything though. That's me putting money in it and everything too though. So still, oh yeah, 29. We cool. We'll look at trades. It's a lot. 23. Any. Let's go back to today. Stay focused. Just on today. On today, we got 653 for today. Let's go. Trying to get a G. All right. Are we going up to the? Let's get two more. All right. Target is 586. I probably should have waited for a pullback, to be honest. But we'll see. 586. What is that? That's 565. Sorry. Target 560. Hold on. Let me pay attention right quick. Target 560. We'll do 560. Target 560. 5 522 is the high. Here we go. We're pushing it. All right, let's go. We need 560. I gotta eat some breakfast. All right, we're getting a pullback. All right, 540 is the level. 560, we're looking for 560. Should go up to 600. Previous day value was 700. So 29,600. Once it hits that there, 29,600, 29,660. Trade into that box. Now we got to get into that box. Target, push up. If we can push into the box, we'll get it going. Then we'll see what we do. That's on 15 minutes. So we'll put this back down to the one. Okay. Came up right below. What do we get to? We got to 51. Mhm. All right, let's see if we can get it off this. We didn't come down and bounce off of here, but we are crossing. The 14 is crossing the 5. The 14 is crossing the VWAP, sorry. So if we can keep up and push up, this should get us green on this next move up. If we get it. And my screen keeps getting so hot. Yeah, I don't like this right here. This is pulling back a little too far. Bounce. Let's go. Push. Now we got to get past that 5. Any volume to do that? Oh, this is a deeper pullback than I was hoping for. See, I was a prick for a tick. I got close, but no cigar. All right, bounced off the VWAP. Set enough to push us through. All right, we broke above that 5. Let's go. This should be it. Let's get it. Get some more volume. Uh, yeah, that was nasty right there. I gotta go fix some Cheerios. I gotta eat. Starting to be dizzy. Hopefully this hits while I'm eating. Yo, we literally come right up to it. Not pushing up in there. It's crazy. What do we get that time? We got 58. 2 points away. Last time we got 51, so we got a little higher that time. Next time it'll be us. Maybe. Depends on far we pull back. Bounce off this. Keep going. Get a higher bounce. Oh, that was nasty. All right, I like that bottom wick. We can push up through here, but we're curling over though. I don't like that. Come on, push up, pop, pop. Give us some conviction, yo. That volume is weak. I'm gonna have to get out of this trade in a minute. See how light that volume is for the green? It was dancing around. Highest 551. Let's go. Go. Come on, push. Stay going. We can't get no momentum. All right, so check it out. Why I think we're getting ready to die off is because down here in the volume area, that was high, that was low, that's low. We're getting less and less volume, weaker and weak. So I should have got out. I'm come all the way back down to VWAP probably. Actually straight down. No bounce. Up and curled over. Let's get a bounce. A bounce higher, please. One, two, three. All right, that look good. Can we keep going? Volume is light though, man. It's not trying. I ain't got enough buyers to get up past the 526. There's something going on. The air ain't running out all the way. Look, two green. Now get those. Eat that. Take it back up. Let's go. It's selling it. Every time we get here, every time we get to this level right here, we reject. I'm trying to hold on so I can get this 200 out of this, but 10 o'clock. Oh yeah, what we got? We got natural gas crap come out at 10 a.m. U.S. wholesale. That shouldn't matter. That's a yellow folder. What was that? Final wholesale inventory. That's for sales. Okay, that was good. That's a point two. So that was good. 10:30 natural gas storage. That's the yellow folder too, but after that, we should be good for the rest of the day. Then we just gotta worry about what DJT says. Got more people applying for unemployment. Mm, you heard that? Magic sound pushed up in there, baby. Let's go. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. 10 o'clock. We got 898 on the day. Um, I'm thinking I'm gonna call it a day. I ain't gonna push it. I ain't gonna push it. I mean, I need to do 40. Actually, I need to do way more than that, but I gotta get out of this hole I'm in. But this is good. I'm good to go. Yeah, I'm gonna get up out of here. Stop 5150. I'm gonna go spend some time with my grandson, take him shoe shopping or something. You know what I'm saying? So what I think is gonna happen, we're gonna push up in here. That'll be the target. Get some more money. I could put a long on and go for it, but I ain't gonna do it. I'm not gonna risk this. 898 is what I got on the day. Um, after the fees, 864. That's pretty good, right? That's 2 weeks' pay, depending on what you make. Yeah, yay. So what we got for the past 7 days? Today is Thursday. For the past 7 days, we're at 2,600. Let's go. Let's go. Year to date, what we got? What we got? Year to date, to a negative 2,700. Still, we good to go. We ain't tripping over that. Especially since we held that stupid swing trade for way too long. So we're good to go. All right. Size 5150, we're gonna take that 800 and take our ball and go home. All right, yo. Peace.